One of the top benefits of using WordPress is the ability to utilize plugins on your website. A plugin is a code snippet that adds functionality to your site. Some examples of solutions that plugins can provide include contact forms, optimization and performance plugins, the ability to add new blocks to Gutenberg, adding contact forms, social media posts, and much more. While logged into your WordPress dashboard, simply click on Plugins in the left sidebar to view a list of the plugins that are installed on your site. If you want to add a new functionality to your site, you can search the plugin repository by hovering over plugins and clicking on Add New. The plugin repository has links to view featured, popular, and recommended plugins, and there's even a search function as well, where you can search by keyword or by plugin name. The popular tags section on the bottom of the page is also helpful. Let's say you'd like to add an image gallery to your site. You can search for the image gallery in the search plugins, or you can scroll down to the popular tags section and click on the gallery tag. That would show you all the plugins with that tag. To install a plugin, you simply click on Install Now and then click on Activate. So this one here, MetaSlider, we already have installed, so I'm going to go ahead and activate it. Once active, a link will appear for the plugin somewhere in your left sidebar menu. It could be in the main menu, or it could be as a submenu item under another link, such as Settings or Tools. You'll see here that MetaSlider adds its own link with some sublinks to it. Other plugins you'll find under Settings or Tools. Most plugins have tutorials and documentation on their website, which can help you get started and troubleshoot any issues. So once you install a plugin, you could go and into the plugin section, click on Support, if that's an option, or click on By the name of the developers, and that will take you to their website where you can find more information. Keep in mind that everything you add to your website, such as plugins, themes, pages, documents, etc., takes up server space. Hosting server space is limited, and having too many files on your site can cause performance issues. So while plugins are a great way to solve a need, be sure that you actually need every plugin that you install and uninstall those that are inactive or you stop using. If you're unsure of what a plugin is being used for, consult with your web developer before uninstalling it, as doing so could break the functionality on your site. Of course, Devadigm is always here to help offer recommendations for plugins and assist with setup as needed, so feel free to contact us for help. I hope this gave you a good understanding of what a WordPress plugin is and how they can benefit your site visitors. You can find more WordPress tutorials on the tips and resources link on devadigm.com.